Find out how to clean your Samsung WindFree air conditioner 2026 model by removing, washing, and reinstalling the filters and airflow blade to help maintain optimal performance. Step 1. Turn off the power. Before cleaning the air conditioner, unplug the power plug from the socket and wear protective gloves. Step 2. Remove the filters and airflow blade. Hold both the left and right sides of the indoor unit cover and lift it upwards. When the cover is lifted to a certain point, it will be held open by the support arm. Lift the copper antibacterial filter and PM 1.0 filter slightly upwards, then pull them out one by one to remove them. Please note, the filter specifications and structure may vary depending on the model. Open the upper and lower airflow blade separately. For the upper airflow blade, push the hinge located in the center and lift the blade upwards. Then pull it forwards to remove it. For the lower airflow blade, push the hinge in the center and pull the blade downwards to detach it. Step 3. Clean the filters and airflow blade. Use a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove dust from the copper antibacterial filter and airflow blade. If the filters are heavily soiled, rinse them lightly under running water. For the PM 1.0 filter, dissolve neutral detergent in lukewarm water and soak it for about 30 minutes. Then shake it up and down to clean it thoroughly. After cleaning, place the filters and airflow blade at an angle and allow them to dry completely in the shade. Step 4. Reassemble the filters and airflow blade. Insert both ends of the lower airflow blade into the grooves and secure the hinge in the fixing slot. Next, insert both ends of the upper airflow blade into the grooves and secure the hinge in the fixing slot. Reinstall the copper antibacterial filter, making sure it is properly fitted on the latch. Finally, pull the cover support forwards and close the cover to complete reassembly. Step 5. Check the operation. Plug the power plug back in and switch on the air conditioner. Check whether the airflow blade operates properly. The airflow blade may not fully close at first. If this happens, switch the power off and on again, and the blades should return to normal operation. With simple disassembly and cleaning, you can maintain clean airflow and enjoy a cool and comfortable summer. If the air conditioner does not operate normally after cleaning, contact a nearby Samsung service center.